over here, we're gonna try to drill a hole up there, but I kind of want it to look straight. I'm counting on I can use a level, but I'm counting on that jamb is not crooked. So I will measure from that jamb over to the center of this is 39 inches, okay? To the center of this cold water. I can do the same thing off that wall. It should be, can't always count on it, but it should be square. Or level 38, 39 inches, 38, 3/4, and 39. And guess what? I'll have to do both. Do the pencil there now because it doesn't draw all the way up. I gotta go to this corner, 81 and 7/8. All right, I'm gonna drill right there. Hopefully there's not a rafter there. Nope. Odds were for me. All right, we'll come back in just a second and open all this up.